Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the app and stopping active processes. First, confirm Windows Bitness in Settings so you know which uninstall path to use, then open Task Manager and end any lens processes immediately to avoid file locks. Next, go to Settings, Apps and Features and search Google Lens or Lens. Once you see it, don't click Uninstall yet. Note the exact name and version for the right removal method. Now you perform the actual removal and cleanup. Use Settings Uninstall. If that fails, run Control Panel Uninstall or an elevated PowerShell command to remove the package. Once uninstalled, remove leftover folders in %appdata% and %localappdata% and any program files entries. This prevents auto-reinstall. Finally, open Regedit, export matching keys as backups, and delete only the Google Lens keys you find. This ensures no orphaned registry entries remain and explains why prevention of reinstallation matters. Finish by rebooting and verifying the app is gone from Task Manager and Apps list. Make sure nothing restarts automatically. If Google Lens reappears, inspect browser extensions and Google account sync. Disable Lens-related sync items because sync can re-add apps. As a final repair step, run system checks. sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix file corruption, which can block uninstalls. If problems persist, restore the exported registry keys and try removal in safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.